Here's a true story about a city that went to war with birds. Not dragons, not invaders. Birds. Beijing, 1958. China is racing to boost grain under the Great Leap Forward. Officials are hunting for anything that steals food. They point to the Eurasian tree sparrow. Tiny bird, big appetite for seeds. In the math of the moment, sparrow equals thief. So the city mobilizes. Everyone. Students, workers, grandparents. Pots and pans turn into weapons. The plan is simple and brutal. Don't let the sparrows land. Bang, shout, wave flags. Keep them flying until they drop. For days, rooftops fill with people. Drums pound, firecrackers crack. Trees are cut, nests are smashed. The sky goes quiet. It looks like victory. But here's the twist. Sparrows eat seeds. Yes, they also eat insects. A lot of them. Without the birds, the bugs party. Locusts surge. Caterpillars feast. Fields that were supposed to overflow with grain get chewed to stubble. The city learns what nature always knew. Everything is connected. Pull one thread, and the whole fabric shifts. News spreads. The Sparrow War had spread far beyond Beijing, but the lesson starts there too. Officials backtrack. Sparrows are quietly taken off the target list. Bedbugs get added instead. In some places, birds are even brought in to help restore balance. Did the campaign cause the famine? It was one of many disasters that hit at once, from droughts to bad policies. But killing the sparrows made a bad situation worse. When the insects swarmed, people paid the price. It's a story that sounds absurd until you see the consequences. A city thought it could outshout nature. Nature shrugged and sent in 1 billion bugs. So what's the takeaway? Small creatures can hold up big systems. If you erase one piece, the rest doesn't politely stay the same. It collapses in weird ways. Next time you see a sparrow hopping on a sidewalk, remember Beijing's lesson. The quiet work of balance matters. And sometimes, the tiniest ally is the one you never thought you needed. This has been History's Hidden Stories. Fascinating factoids and forgotten tales from the past. Share it with someone who thinks a bird is just a bird. Spoiler, it rarely is.